Let's start by preparing our flaxseed egg. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water. Give it a good mix. Let it sit to the side while we make our mixture. 1 cup cornmeal. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix well. 1 cup plant-based milk like almond. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. Mix. Leave it to the side. 1/3 cup maple syrup or agave nectar for a slightly sweet cornbread. One-third cup vegetable oil or melted coconut oil. Add your flaxseed egg mixture. Combine dry and wet mixtures. Add in your milk mixture. To your oven.